What are you doing now? It's too late. You have to get up at 7 o'clock to go to school.
Don't worry, I'm not asleep. I have already drank a cup of coffee.
What happened with you? You look so bizarre.
Nothing, I'm thinking about my tooth.
Oh, it's that! You have to be more blissful because you're going to be a mature boy.
Stop, you're saying unbearable things.
Okay, but you know what's happened if you don't go to sleep tonight early?
Obviously, I know all the story, and I purchased a flashlight to attack the ghost if he comes.
So, you can't do without your flashlight. Are you afraid?
But you said, I'm not afraid, but you don't have me saying that.
Kyle, did you study for the English exam?
Yes, I studied a lot last week.
So, I think that you have to do your best in your exam. You really need it.
Yes, I know. I studied a lot last week, and I'm going to keep studying, but I know it takes a real toll.
But, do you know that the exam is tomorrow?
What? What I'm going to do? Oh my god, please.
Kyle, if you want, I can stay with you this night.
What? What are you thinking?
I am thinking that we can study for a while if you want.
I appreciate you worry about me, but I don't know if that is a good idea.
Why? What's the problem?
I don't know. Imagine what is my mom going to think when she come and see us wake so late.
Nothing. We are going to explain her the situation.
Okay, but the thing is... Okay, thank you very much. I realize you always appear when I need you.
Okay, but I am just trying to help you. I don't want you to be afraid.
Afraid of what? I'm not afraid. Didn't you say I am a mature boy?
Come on, we both know that you are afraid of the ghost and you don't want to stay alone.
Or maybe it is because you are my best friend and I need you to study.
Come on, what is it? You're afraid.
Don't bother me, please. I'm fed up with this conversation. What time is it? I want to go to sleep.
Why? What happened with you? Aren't you an encouraged person?
Yes, but I'm not keen on with the darkness of the night. I don't like the ghost. They said it is wicked and spooky.
Okay, I take your explanation in. But it is impossible to happen what you are saying.
Maybe you are right, but I'm going to turn the flashlight on.
What? Take it away and stop saying stupid things.
I'm not going to do that. Don't put me off.
Okay, but this conversation is very dull. Let's change the issue.
Why? I'm very nervous. I put yourself in my shoes. The ghost can appear.
Take it easy. Take your time to think. And you have to know that the ghost, it doesn't exist.
Take it back. Shut your mouth. I don't want to take the risk.
Okay. If you take offense, I'm going to leave.
No, please, don't leave me alone. If you want, I turn the flashlight off.
Okay, but I'm going to stay with you this night. But tomorrow you have to borrow me the PSP.
Okay, let me think. If I pass the exam, I lend you my PSP.
Oh, what's a good offer? I accept. I'm sure you will pass your exam.
Thank you. I am really happy to have a loyal friend like you.
You're welcome, but I'm worried because you look so afraid.
Yes, but I'm dealing with my fears.
Okay, stop talking. Let's go. We are going to study a lot. Okay, we have to know past simple, past participle, all the times. Kyle, come on, Kyle, what's on earth?